clash for the throne. You can say
Alright.
if Beenie Man call out Kartel will say my king. And in a reply that means a Beenie Man I king. That's simple.
Respectfully,
Yeah.
respectfully, respectfully, Cartel due to whatever him want right now. Respectfully.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why I got Beenie Man now. Because respectfully, basically where Cartel go through is like the people them must say, alright, you know, I think Cartel deserve it. So that a Beenie Man now respectfully. But to me now, me not nothing bad to say about none of them in them power struggle. Because I feel them we are making money that.
Well.
So me would I say now. Here who me would I say, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Beenie Man, I would say, is the king of dancehall. And I will say Vybz Kartel is the king of the king, the international global dancehall king, Caribbean king. The dancehall Caribbean king. So me put Beenie Man as a king in Jamaica, as a king of dancehall. And me put Kartel as a world king of the Caribbean when it comes to reggae dance, when it comes to dancehall type of music. So me would have give him an international king title and Beenie Man a local title. But it's two of them are king same way. So me that dash it. One a world king and one a Jamaican king.
Well, if I am the king,
But two separate king.
if you lick off of me, I lick off of your back. So me know dance I'll go.
But listen still, you know. Alright, me not gonna lie, you know. Honestly speaking, we are reason. Me feel like RT boss talking truth no found no like me. You know, so me don't really have nothing against Kartel, but you me know them not too in me and anyway they see me them that done with me. So me just speak the truth, speak my mind till when time they see me they can chat me up, cut me up and name me. But when it comes to the truth, me gotta talk the truth.
Oh.
I believe Mr. Kartel really in work for that title of being a dancehall king. No question him work, but me that same work. So him do for the king. Beenie Man, I think Beenie Man do him time and being fair. But when me know now, can me portray myself as a king too. Me no see Beenie Man wrong for just want to give up the title, so let me give it up with a reason. So either Beenie Man want me challenge your feet or we go feet because two king can't reign in one yard. So let's get to the case. Alright, them crown me a Sunfest as king. So here what? How we gonna do it? Because there's no way. Alright, watch it now, me I get a joke now. Joe Banga bitch, right? And him crown. What year you want Joe the Jaden? Jaden, are you get thing there for the year, you know? Are you get thing there for the year, TikTok for 2024? Tell the man. And him do feet. And that's where it is. And I say it then.
But me find out say dance I'll get coward now.
Yo, Jaden. Why you not go do a music? Why you not go do a music? Why you don't do a music? A new year now, you know, drop a song, no? Drop a song, man. Drop a song. Just drop a song. You will be surprised if you know people that might like it. Drop a song, man. That will work. Make one produce, make somebody write one bad song and drop on a rhythm. Ah, what we they know?
Right now, Jaden stress out for the match later.
The man just jump on your page a while ago.
You see him?
He must be busy on your mouth, Fabi, now. You know, it's at 12 o'clock, at 12 friend, at 12 friend.
Right now, you're gonna stress out pretty much later.
Hold on.
Yes, yeah, much later. So
After that, the match?
that's why I'm gonna circle here. You think
Yeah, we blamed him.
After that, the match? Alright, dude.
we're gonna shoot dog blab them later. You watch me on him.
Damn, them hate me, I know. But you know, just since you got them, let me tell you something. Blame them shoot for himself. You have a page where one man when call, like, anytime you see, like, him now win. But you can't know when he not the money on your account. Too. Anytime now win, you think call for one man and say, alright, I'm going to call one of my bad chopper youth them from such and such. As when you see the youth come, remember you can't see what blame them are doing, so you can't know if you have another phone or two him do. So blame them shoot for himself and style on him. I remember blame them. Remember my school, blame them I come from when me I shoot for myself, you know. Remember say me give blame them money if you shoot for me when with a rank, you know. Don't forget to when me that rank with TikTok boss, you know. Blame them, they did that shoot for me too, you know. But a long time blame them they ruin me, you know, people. So don't put that in their head, no make him fool like I talk it.
Blame them. Me I wonder you not find it yet. Pass profit.
Hear this. Let me make you hear this. Hear that video, people. Hear that video, people. We blame them. Hold on, let me turn it up.
God, bumbo. I mean, I this stuff squash. You still know me from. Man, some of them say, well, we that bonus. Man, some of them say, well, we that bonus squash ready. Man, you know, but you know, man. You still know me from. God, bumbo. I mean, I this stuff squash. You still know me from Portmore. I tell squash them if you did. Well, I think about them. We love when he cuss your blood clot. We love when he cuss. And he talk, you have a laugh to blood clot. Anybody take that them and they serious to blood clot. When they man talk, you have to laugh you. They say the RT boss talk, you have to laugh.
I'll mix up.
I say, well, with that burnout squash ready, man. You know, but you know, my God. You know me from Portmore. I mean, I did some squash. You still know me from Portmore.
All right. I have a style where when me just like in pop up of my life and me, to me a content creator, I have a style when I come in now, me just say, like when I do, I say, blame them, tell the people them say you're Spice did they. And him say, oh yeah, and me just say, blame them, tell the people them, you know, me just throw it for him. So that's the content style. So now I go make up and film live. As me go up there, you go throw up for me. Tell the people them say me, yeah, that's what everybody's got. Me don't know a blood clot. Oh my God. Me run your fuck. Let move your blood clot. Me not take up nothing me can't manage. You're crazy. You come through all bomber clot news and pan and machete and start a blood clot for me catch it. I run left it. So that him a drive for me a while ago. I give me mix up for me go carry. Me run with that blood clot I run left it. Me not to blame me. That's why I laugh. I tweet him. You think that's why I say my daddy laugh. I tell you fuck around guy him I wanted to my coward. Me no man was no. I mean my drama say, but him good yeah man.
Blame them.
Me not support. Alright. Even though you see me I laugh up with him, me not really support what I do now. I tell him that's why I burn him out and him burn me up. Me not really support what I do because to me realness a realness, joke a joke, and you mix up real with joke. When you mix up the real with joke, it causes confusion. And then most of the things then what I must say, nobody don't know if it's true. And then again, if it is not true, and he might tell lie on people and call people name and it is not true, then the people might go upset and people might go pray him. And the people might go feel away. So the moral of the story is, remember blind them now show him face, you know. So when he must show him face, he can't say any little thing he wants to say. If him that show him face now, he wouldn't say certain things. So right now you have a question where he must say because him not show him face, so he can't say anything.
Yeah, he can't come out and say anything.
And it's up to you to believe it because him not show him face. So that's why you have to know.
Like once the people don't hear it, then believe.
Then that's why if you're smart enough, you know that everything you have to believe what him say because just for example, If he might hide him face and nobody no know him, how he get too much information? Then no must somebody him have to talk to us. Somebody we might talk to, I tell him what I go on. No must somebody we know him.
Mm-hmm.
No. But I feel that thing. Anyway, enough I blame them, making go on. But me not tolerate, me not like what I do. Me talk to him about a feel thing that he must know.
Man, blame.
You see my hype now, people, and I go on and I cuss me. Remember one time I have to come out and say, people, that man when he blame them, I have no Latin part with him. Him no part of my brand. Him no in my company, me no know him. I just see him on the media and him I tell everybody say him know me. When you see him, him bandulu. You can imagine, I know him in the media, I go like mathematics. And me used to disown him the way me know him fucker just wicked.
Hey, when you tell him about the pill, anytime you tell him about the pill, he get mad, you know.
Oh, God.
Just mention the pill.
One thing with them look a young boy, that young boy too, you know, one thing too. Blame them focus on him papers. You see him soon worry about Donald Trump. I bet when Donald Trump come, you know, see him.
Man, so married in soldier woman, where they are, G?
Joe do man, I got to marry him over iPhone.
You know why you set me up, you know. You see, woman.
They know set him a set up himself already. Fit to talk it. No, but seriously, him need to marry for true to get him papers.
Oh, if you married and you go out with someone foolish and you know what comes be. Remember you tell it to one woman I get rid of him. Hey,
you don't leave me alone. You don't leave me alone, man.
So you know you fear every woman. So
People, if you not follow trending, make sure you follow him.
people are no cook. People, wanna click on the link in the bio and follow the YouTube. Yes, Blam Shark. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, me notice too. Me want to another thing where even though people will listen, tell me if you not see this. Me like to split justice. Tell me if you not see this. Listen to me, I say, tell me if you not see it, because everybody in the media every day. Me notice for Miss Bling stop do the mix-up show and them something that the media get boring. Everything just get flap. Even who I tried, it just not work. Me notice everything just get a little. You see that?
That's
why the young people them come in. That's why young people end up coming now and able to can come and beg. But me get another joke too. So I want to take down Eva Bass and the pile. I want to take bet. I want to show you that Eva Bass was a gatekeeper. That's why the universe beat him so. So I want to take down Eva Bass with the pile and scandal him. Him lego the ranking and know everybody can come wrong. Him used to sit down on the ranking and control the ranking like a gatekeeper. And the scandal take him down, everything free up.
What boss? Hold on there. I know Eva Bass. Because the bag upon you and bling. Well on the rank.
But watch this too. Eva Bass did a go on good, but he was a gatekeeper, so Karma lick him. Rewind. When me and Miss Bing did just come, me did a do look gatekeeping too. And me did a carve Miss Bling for do look gatekeeping. But the gatekeeping where we did a do is a gatekeeping like Robin Hood. Rob from the rich, forgive the poor. That gatekeeping them in a do. So here my gatekeeping when we just come out. Tricky and Trendy and all of them and when him Tyler Perry or Tyler, where you guy name? Perry or Quite Perry.
Quite Perry.
The whole of them used to sit down up at the whole heap of them used to sit down up at glass house. Nobody couldn't go up there. Them used to me the way me used to throw a partner, the whole of them where them used to rank and so forth. So me and Miss Bling now used to come and bust out who are going to rank this week, how much money them put on the ranking, how much who borrow money, who put on 10,000, And all of that, and we come and we read the news and we read the news and we talk. And so Miss Bling come out and read the news and so them come out same way and then do their thing and we did their watch and then we scandal them and we dig them up till people stop shoot with them now go on again. Then it change, you know, then everybody Rosalie start make up her. Make you one joke now. You see that big old blood clot I go
Hold
over
on
there.
there, bossy. Don't say nothing. Hold on there. Don't say nothing. You know say the people that were rank are wicked. Look on Rosalie. You know say you want me get for Rosalie?
And me for send her a blood clot number one.
And the people that still take down the
That's why I
woman.
say the people them wicked to me. That's why I don't look on them and me for send her number one. When Rosalie has struggle over there, nobody now look on her blood clot and me just comes number second.
Are you about
We did have whole heap of lion. Hold on, not trending. We did have whole heap of lion. Rosalie used to come out and sleep. And one morning, me did there, me just serve for her. And she said, I think beg a lion, no. And me lego 6 lion pan her. And I saw me lego go room, 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 room. And when she start shoot, me go back again and me lego 4 more lion. And when me realize say she there number one and me keep her number one. And then after that Miss Bling rank and then me keep Miss Bling a number one.
Yo, you know me know say them TikTok are wicked around. Me see them fight Rosalie, you know. And get the woman page get take away, you know.
You know the only reason why me put Rosalie at number one? Me look on her and me say, she is a girl where come out and do her thing and she trying and she want to go number one. And at the time, the way them did do, listen me good, you know. She and TikTok boss was the 2 poorest we come out we did need the money at the time when we come over there. Rosalie and TikTok boss was the 2 of them was the poorest of all we need the money. So when we come over there now, me work with TikTok boss. Alright, so when we done with TikTok boss now, then we work with Rosalie. That is why you see me go up. Because one of them feel like they want the TikTok money and when they got trouble me come cause a problem. Is a man know if gimmicks people and do things. So when me come now and me get that money, then now me start send Rosalie got number one. I'm nobody not talk about them thing the people. Quite a few people get lion out of where me get. That's why them have to say RT him kind and RT give. But me not do them sitting there again. Change and sitting there.
Yeah, man. But yeah. Kate, your job asleep.
No, auntie, my day one. My day
She just give me the floor. Nobody in the box there. Nobody, people, listen. Me no want nobody come up here for no